The high-rises, facades, factories, and chimneys are infrastructures that are raised for achieving specific performances, and along with it come challenges. These taller structures pose challenges like access, maintenance, employee safety, outsourcing, and work completion within a brief downtime. Glasshoppers brings its knowledge and skill, cutting across industries, from salt to software, to maintain these tall structures through services like cleanings, paintings, repairs, and waterproofing. Glasshoppers, trusted by clients and lifted by employees, has maintained millions of square foot of facades, and factories are still hungry for upselling. Glasshoppers, the largest industrial rope access contractors, are promoted by 4C Group since 2009. We are looking to collaborate and share technical expertise of working at heights through industrial rope access services. Glasshoppers approaches each project as unique, understands client requirements, assesses the potential risks, works on mitigations, puts it for approval, completes the project flamboyantly, and creates values. Thank you.